Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, in the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still a big believer that this is an uptrend, which is not even close to being over. I think it needs to make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, probably go up and take out these highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see what I believe this right here is an uptrend, like a wave one. I think this is an A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up, even though it is a higher high. I think it's a running flat. And this move down is actually a wave C, especially looking at the dollar index. So if that is the case, we are at the 38%. So if this does move up, if it does break structure, that most likely is the end of a wave two and the beginning of a big uptrend to make that wave three. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it really looks like a 1, 2, and this is a 3, 4, and it looks like we could be in a wave 5 right now. Wave 5s are known to make higher lows, so don't expect that it needs to make a higher low. And if it also does go up, and if it does break structure, then that pretty much would prove to me this is the end of a wave C, and most likely the continuation of the uptrend. So let's take it down to that 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we do have a nice little low high series going on right here. Low high, low high. This move up is pretty strong, but for me, it has not broken structure to the upside yet. We can't really say that this move down is over yet. And if it does make a lower high, three ways up and pulse it down, especially on the shorter time frames, then I would continue to look for shorts at least until we get a break of this structure. I am definitely only looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we definitely have what I actually think is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So, like I said, until we break this structure right here to the upside, I am definitely still primarily looking for shorts. So, if I see a nice Fibonacci bounce, I see a nice impulsive move to the downside, especially if it breaks structure to the downside, then I would for sure take that as a short for the continuation of the downtrend. No break of structure tells me there's really no reason to primarily look for anything but shorts in a downtrend. Now, like I said, on the other hand, if it does go up, if it does break structure, then I will definitely at that point be looking for longs at the end of every pullback that I see for the continuation of this uptrend potentially. So, like I said, pay attention to your structure. No break of structure, continue to look for shorts. Break of structure, start looking for longs at the end of a pullback ABC corrections. So, don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.